What's up, you guys? It's me, the Queen. Welcome back to my channel. Now today, it's really hot outside, so we have our fan on, of course, as always, and we have the windows open to help get some air circulation in here since my house does not have an AC. Tragic. So, I don't know what we're gonna hear today. As always, you hear the birds in the background, which you probably hear anyway if the window's closed. But I was thinking, what type of tutorial will I be doing today? And then I had the idea. So I have this old LA Colors blue eyeshadow palette, right? I dropped it. It's like I hit pan on a lot of the shadows. And I've never done a blue makeup tutorial, so I figured what better send off than to let you guys experience this palette. this blue eyeshadow palette, which is interesting. So let's dive on it. Alright, so our first shade, we're going to be going in with this darkish gray tone that I've hit pan on, and I'm just going to make sure I get it all on my crease brush, and I'm just going to excess powder. I'm just going to pick up this little handy dandy handheld mirror, and I'm just going to get it on in there. So it's kind of noticeable, kind of not noticeable, because my eyes are a little crappy. It's really hot. You don't even understand. I've had to redo the rest of my makeup twice. Allergies. I had to redo my nose and I had to redo my forehead because the sweat was so awful and it was picking things up, and I was like, we're not going to start the day like this. So, just going to dip back into that shade and get it back on. And just get it right on that eye. I don't feel like I have it. I knocked all the powder off. Oh my god. There's no space in on my desk at all. It's kind of tragic, actually. But yeah, I'm just gonna go on in the crease. Oh yeah, there we go. Yes, ma'am. Work. See, she's there. A little bit more noticeable than this side. So I'm just gonna blend her out. I don't even know how many shades I actually want to put on my face. Looking at the palette, I'm thinking this will be more on this blue shade here. Will probably be around the the outer area. I think darker shadows should go there, and the lighter ones should probably be on the inner part of your eye, from here to here. So I'm thinking maybe. Yeah, where is that brush? There she is. I'm gonna put this dark blue shadow on the outer part of my eyes, like so. I'm just gonna take it here and pack it on. Kind of connecting it to that gray. I don't know how I'm feeling about it. I feel like in the end it's gonna look really cute and interesting. I don't think I have enough lipstick colors. This is my most neutral one. I don't feel like it's gonna work with the look though. So I'm let's just see what happens. And look at all that fall, girl. Insane. Now, of course, it's eyeshadow that's gonna be full out in the pan, but girl, it's a little bit too much. It's not in the brush. Oh my gosh. Can't focus. It's just too hot. Oh yeah, there we go. I don't know if y'all want me to be doing this on the same looks on the same eye. So make sure you tell me Like, you know, there's a comment section right below. Leave a comment. Hit that like button, because I'm your favorite. What was that face I made? That was disgusting. I'm thinking maybe this lighter gray tone right here, you know, compared to that, and we're just gonna take that and put it right there on the eye, and let's just see how that works. Once again, just packing it on. Why does, like, I don't know why, but it kind of hurts. And I still don't, I keep, oh my gosh, everything is just, like, so crazy. It's kind of, like, chaotic, because I don't have enough space to, like, organize at all. So it's just like, hi man, what are we gonna do? Alright. Okay, I'm actually not hating it, I'm shook. So, I'm just gonna put this shade. Alright, so now I'm seeing this thing on this eye. You know, you see how there's nothing there. So here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna take this slightly lighter gray shade right here. I'm just gonna pack it on right there. So I put some of it there, and I'm gonna do the same on this eye, but I'm not gonna dip back into it because I don't want too much. And I'm gonna grab my blending brush, and with nothing on it, I'm just gonna blend her on out. There's a line on my face. Disgusting and gross. Of course. Alright. So, it's looking very blended, very cute. Hang on, I gotta get rid of this line. Alright, now that the line's gone, I'm just gonna... Okay, this is basically broken off. I'm tired of it. It's in the way. She's gone. Now we just get the shadows. I'm throwing this away right after. Do not worry about me. I'm doing good. We're doing A-okay. So I'm thinking maybe going with what's left of this shadow on the edges. Right? Yeah, what's left on the edges. And I'm thinking about taking that and putting it right there. I actually live for that. It really gives my eyes are really pretty, like, vibe. I'm living for it. I know blue shadows aren't really the summer vibe, but man, it's Pride Month. We're proud of our sexualities. How you doing? Also, what is prideful? I've been hearing a lot about it, and from what I've heard, it doesn't sound good at all, and it sounds like I'm about to fight a few people. You know, my bodyguard and I are just gonna go into some people's houses and be like, ma'am, you support prideful? Your ass is grass. Okay, so now I'm thinking for the final shade, I'm gonna go with this really icy blue shade, and is it just me, or does this shade look exactly like this shade? Like, they look way too light to be comfortable, and I don't really like those eyeshadows. I mean, those eyeshadow palettes that do that. And it's just like, man, do you run out of creativity, or like, what's happening? Like, I understand it on more of like a nude palette, because it's kind of like, oh hey, you know, you're gonna hit pan on one of these, make the pan's like really small. But if it's like a regular-ish eyeshadow palette or it has a bunch of colors, like, why would you repeat shades? Like, there's just so much to, like, don't you want people to, like, play with more colors to see what they can do on their eyes rather than just having two of the same shade? Or, like, more? It's kind of shady. Not gonna lie. I still didn't put that shade on my other, disgusting, other end of my eye. Gosh. We're looking a little, I don't know, I think there was like a little fallout from my crease on this brow. I mean, I said brow, oh my gosh, this lid, because you can tell that it's like darker rather than compared to this. So I'm like, man, you need to calm down. This isn't it. And he needs to calm it down too, girl. 70 degrees is fine, not 90. I'm wanting to put some highlighter on, actually. I'm gonna take some of this little, I can never open this highlighter and it's horrid, so we're gonna take these scissors here and we're just gonna pop it open. And I'm thinking about going with that gold tone, just to like see what's up. So let's, perfect. I'm just gonna tap it onto the under eye. Yeah, because it's not very noticeable at the moment, but I feel like it's definitely going to be more noticeable in the sun, because, you know, highlight game, it's got to be on point. Always going to be on point with me, honey. Always. I just tapped my nose with the highlighter. Oh my god. What am I doing? Oh my gosh. I look fabulous. I need to top it off with some mascara, so I'm obviously going to go with going with my Maybelline Colossal Lash, because you heard. Okay guys, that's all for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you didn't, you know, sorry, I guess. But yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed it. And this thing, I have eyeshadow all over my floor now. Anyway, I love you guys so much. Bye.